Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's channel, or for today's video, rather, we are going to talk about which is better ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, or DeepSeek. And today, we're going to find out the difference between these applications, these AI applications. And we're going to start with DeepSeek. Well, technically, function wise, they're all the same. You ask a question, they pop it up for you. For example, what is the first or when was the first airplane made? You ask it a question, it gives you a feedback or an answer. You ask. So that's the main use of an AI, right? Or at least people use it like this in a way. But now it's more than that. Sometimes it's asking difficult questions, like for example, how to answer what are your weaknesses during job interviews. Or sometimes we ask it for grammar correction. Oftentimes we use it in helping us in writing papers, especially if you're a college student or if you're a professional who is currently experiencing writer's block. Then yeah, definitely we use AI nowadays in office work, school work, or sometimes in just random things that we're interested in knowing. But really, what separates these four applications? Because these four applications are the main AIs utilized in this generation. Well, for DeepSeek, something you want to know about DeepSeek is that number one, for strength, it is cost effective. It has an open source. It's well suited for coding, research, and technical tasks. That's why it's called DeepSeek rather. This DeepSeek R1 is very, very helpful. So, for example, if you want to design a business plan for, let's say, a bar, it can do it for you. As you can see right there, it can do things or rather tasks that are not simply answerable by yes or no. So you can create these things. It's best for researchers and developers, business developers, or simply IT developers. Definitely DeepSeek may be the one for you because it offers a highly competitive performance while using fewer computational resources, making AI more accessible. Well, for Gemini, on the other hand, Gemini is usually multimodal capabilities, so it uses strong Google ecosystem integration and real-time fact checking. So, if you're looking for more on the fact checking side of things, then definitely Gemini might be the one for you. It's ideal for Google users who uses AI in their work or at their work and those who require modal analysis. So its ability to process multiple modalities includes text, images, audio, and video, making it a powerful range for a wide range of tasks. So let's say you're doing admin task, right? And you need to write a report, let's say on the 4th of July. Let's just say it like that. Or you need to write a speech for the 4th of July. Gemini, compared to DeepSeek will help you provide research websites like so. So it's usually like this. It provides you an answer that is similar to Google, right? Instead of actually creating the report, it does provide you with a little bit of a backup on how you can write the report, similar to how Google will do it. Now, with Grok, on the other hand, it provides real time insights from social media and the web. So it's more on the truth seeking performance. So now, with Grok, usually it provides data analytics. So with that, we can ask it to create images, to provide the latest news right here. For example, tell me the latest news. So it provides us with this type of analytics. So it's good as well for researchers or for people who likes to fact checks, basically. As you can see here, it provides us with very detailed news reports right here, which are very helpful, especially if you're into these types of things. If you're an analyst or anything, it already analyzed the entire thing for you. It's a lot easier to understand. It's easier on the eyes, and yeah, it's pretty much summarizes everything already. Now, of course, staying top on our list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good for any purpose, for general purposes and broad applications. If you can see like the famous or the trending artworks right now, like the Studio Ghibli AI art or the AI arts that you see on TikTok, ChatGPT is the one that does that. It's that good, and at the same time, it's the OG. Most people know ChatGPT more than the other website, mainly because ChatGPT has been the one that's been used by many users before. So, for example, ChatGPT, its strengths includes conversational skills, business integrations, multimodal support, and strong general purpose capabilities. So, it provides a lot. Customer support, content creation, and education. That's why it's a well established and widely used platform by different people from different fields. And that is why on our list, ChatGPT takes the number one spot. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.